Refrigeration is a critical component for any long-distance adventure mobile, and since we just got a Toyota 4Runner, we're happy to be sharing the SetPower PT45 12v dual-zone refrigerator and freezer. Hello, we are Ben, Rebecca, and Lucy, a digital nomad family from Alaska. Sometimes we're home, sometimes we're exploring Europe in our camper van Denny, and sometimes we take a break from the road at Airbnbs in unique locations. This lifestyle is anything but ordinary, but in the end, we feel life is meant to be lived. This is a sharp-looking refrigerator, and I have the honor of pulling that clear film of plastic from the display. Let's jump into the features and overall exploration of this new refrigerator.
The SetPower has an overall capacity of 45 liters or 47.6 quarts. The two lids open and latch independently of each other, and the compartments hold a combined capacity of 66 cans of soda, 42 water bottles, or 12 bottles of wine. The SetPower PT45 has a quiet and energy-efficient compressor with a 3-year warranty. The compressor is powered by a 12-volt detachable power cord and comes with a 120-volt adapter cord, so you can pre-cool it at your house. The two zones are truly separate, both with ranges of 0 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and can be pre-cooled down to 32 degrees within 15 minutes. The lid has a classy leather-grained look, and the system is designed for travel with anti-shock, anti-shake features built in. The battery saver is built with 3 levels of settings, so you never risk killing your battery. You already saw the handles in use, but the PT45 also comes with interior LED lights and sturdy latches.
Well, since we're not embarking on an adventure today and at this moment, we thought it'd be nice to put the SetPower PT45 to the test in a more day-to-day real-life application. The 4Runner is equipped with a 12-volt outlet here in the cargo area, and we were able to get a jump on the pre-cooling, which happened very quick. So we're gonna set the small side at 34 degrees, and the big side, we're gonna make an actual freezer down to 0 Fahrenheit. Happy Father's Day. See you later, Dad.
As most of you know, if you've been following our channel, we are living in Mexico right now. And if you're wondering, yes, you can get groceries there, but for purposes of demonstrating real-life application of the SetPower fridge freezer, we thought it would be fun to pick up a couple of things here. We have a couple of hours drive to head home, and we'll see how the groceries make the trip.
Today in the grocery store, I found some humongous, good-looking strawberries. I wasn't quite sure, but it fits perfectly over there. Some cherries, they are in season. Nectarines, peaches. Yeah, we can get good avocados in Mexico, but I wanted to save a trip to the grocery store. And let's see how the cucumber fits. I may need to rearrange this a little. Cucumber, not computer. Fits nicely there, and I think the other stuff can go onto the freezer side. So some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Put those there. And then it's hard to find some good Simply juices in Mexico. And for an easy lunch one day, a lobster bisque. I know it's going on the freezer side, but that's okay. And since our days are numbered in Mexico, some biscuits, because we bought some breakfast sausage that needs to get used up. So let's start our journey home to the condo in Mexico. of truth. We're here in the parking garage. It's been a couple hours and oh, it worked. Wow. Yeah. The chicken's even starting to get a little stiff, like it's freezing. Wonderful. Cold stuff is cold but not frozen. All right, we have to get back settled back in after being out of town and get all our stuff up to the condo in this shopping cart that everybody uses to get their stuff upstairs. Stay tuned for probably the next video. We'll give you a tour of our condo here before we start the next chapter of light. Thank you very much to SetPower for the PT45 refrigerator, freezer, 12-volt, awesome little machine for travel. We'll see you in the next video.